how to get Amazon Prime membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Getting Amazon Prime membership is much more easier if you do it from your browser. So instead of using the Amazon app, what I would recommend you do is open up your browser. If you're already on browser, that's perfectly fine. Then go to this link, which I'll make sure to drop a link, which is official website of Amazon, which is amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will make sure to drop a direct link in the description box as well. Once you're here, you want to make sure to log into the Amazon account where you would like to get the subscription. Then you can just tap on the start your free 30-day trial button. So when you're from here, you'll get a free 30-day trial as well. Then you'll find all of the perks of the Prime subscription that you can get. So you can simply select that. Then just simply make sure to select your payment method, such as your credit or debit card details. So just tap on credit or debit card button. Then after you have done that, you'll simply be able to enter your card number and your card details, and you will get the Prime Video subscription. This way you can get Amazon Prime membership. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.